Golden autumn amazes with grand events. Natural wonders evoke bright feelings in soul. White marbled Aşgabat again attracts the world's attention with a sport tournament. Turkmenistan is to host World Kuraş Championship.
I would like to thank you. Our opinion about the preparation for signing ceremony and handover ceremony of the IKF flag.
Kuraş World Senior Championship in November 23-28. We are happy such kind of the international events we will host in Aşgabat.
The strongest athletes from about 70 countries will compete and show their skills at this contest.
It's going to be a great event. Will be a tough event for all participants.
Come and watch this event in Aşgabat on November 23-28 of 2023.